Hello everyone, you are watching on Teach YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you the different ways to install Capcut on a Windows computer. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. The easiest and fastest way to install Capcut on Windows PC is to download it from Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, search for the Capcut program in the search section. In the results window, select Capcut. Capcut is already installed on my computer, so it says Ustanovleno here. And you will have a blue install button, and click on that button. The program will start installing and you will be able to use it freely after that. The second way to download the program is to visit Capcut's official site, capcut.com. Go to this page by searching on Google. Here you can download Capcut for various operating systems. As soon as we click the download button, the program will start downloading to our computer. You can watch the upload process here. After downloading, go to the Downloads folder and start the installation process by double-clicking on the capcut.exe file. After granting the necessary permissions, Capcut will be installed on your computer. In my opinion, the first installation method is much easier and faster. After installing the program, you can easily find and run it by searching for Capcut in the desktop shortcut or search box. The program will run on your computer like this. This is the main window of the program, and it has several buttons. By clicking the New Project button, a working window will open. Here, each button has its own function, and we will get acquainted with these functions in the next video. Subscribe to our channel, and like the video.